In this lecture, I'm going to show you how you can add freeze panes option to the Excel sheet so as to view data correctly. To give you a quick idea about what we are going to do is we are going to make country and capital city the heading to remain in the visible position to the user even when we scroll the rows up or down. So we are scrolling the rows down, then what is happening is this country and capital city, the headings are getting invisible, like they are moving up also, so we are not able to see that. So if we want this country and capital to be visible irrespective of the way we are scrolling, then we need to go to this view tab, and in this view tab you have the option freeze panes. You select freeze panes. There are three options: freeze panes, then freeze top row, or freeze first column. So we are going to freeze top row for now, and I will show you how all about the other two options. So freeze top row. So this has frozen the top row, and if we scroll now up or down, we can see that country and capital city is still visible irrespective of our scrolling. This gives a great way to visualize data, like heading is still kept on and we can really clearly see what data is mapped to. To remove this freeze panes, you just need to again go and click freeze panes and select unfreeze panes. This unfreezes the pane. Uh, but for the first option, what is it about? Let me show you. uh, Say fill this area. So if you had selected this cell in the Excel sheet, and then you go over view and select freeze panes and click freeze panes. So what has happened is this whole area, which is the left top corner about this selected cell, has been frozen. So now if I scroll it, you can see that whatever it was above, that is the, say, St. John's, the capital city, uh, this is still visible because it has been locked. It's frozen. So if I scroll it over here, it doesn't matter, it's still visible. So this is about the first option that we had. So let's say we use it to freeze pane over here and say freeze panes. So now everything that is on the top is frozen. So even if I scroll it over here, the two cells are still visible. If I had only frozen the top row and I scroll it over here, and let's say I go around, the first two columns would not be visible. So if I use this option of freeze panes, using freeze panes I can lock this area and make it visible, still visible, that is the two columns and the first row. Next is like the freeze first column option. With freeze first column option, the first row is invisible, like it will move out, but if I go ahead over here, the first column, that is the country, is still visible. So this was about the freeze panes and how you can utilize it. Thanks for watching.